Take 25 micrograms per day. This vitamin to lower blood pressure and repair chronic kidney disease. Fast. High blood pressure and kidney health are closely linked, and many people may not realize how significant this relationship is. With nearly half of all adults in the U.S. experiencing high blood pressure, it's a pressing concern that can lead to severe health issues, including kidney damage. Fortunately, there are simple lifestyle changes and dietary adjustments that can help manage blood pressure and support kidney function. Before we begin this video, please keep in mind that everything being discussed here isn't just my personal opinion. Instead, it's based on thorough medical research. If you're interested, you can check out the research links provided in the description box below. So, let's dive into this informative video together. Understanding high blood pressure and its impact on kidneys. High blood pressure, or hypertension, occurs when the force of blood against the artery walls is consistently too high. This condition can damage blood vessels throughout the body, including those in the kidneys. Over time, high blood pressure can lead to narrowing and hardening of these vessels, impairing the kidney's ability to filter waste and regulate fluid balance. This creates a harmful cycle. Damaged kidneys struggle to control blood pressure, which in turn can lead to further kidney damage. The role of vitamins in managing blood pressure and kidney health. Recent studies suggest that certain vitamins may play a role in lowering blood pressure and promoting kidney health. One such vitamin is vitamin D, which is essential for various bodily functions, including the regulation of blood pressure. A deficiency in vitamin D has been linked to hypertension and kidney disease. Incorporating this vitamin into your daily routine may offer significant benefits, potentially leading to improved blood pressure levels and enhanced kidney function. Simple lifestyle changes for better health. Making small changes in your daily habits can have a big impact on your health. Here are 5 effective strategies to help manage high blood pressure and protect your kidneys. 1. Stay active. Regular physical activity is crucial. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise each week. Activities like walking, swimming, or cycling can lower blood pressure and improve overall heart health. 2. Eat a balanced diet. Focus on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. The DASH, dietary approaches to stop hypertension. Diet is particularly effective, emphasizing low-sodium foods that are beneficial for both blood pressure and kidney health. 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is essential for kidney function. Aim for at least 1.5 to 2 liters of water daily to help your kidneys filter waste effectively and maintain proper fluid balance. 4. Limit sodium intake. Reducing sodium in your diet can significantly lower blood pressure. Avoid processed foods and opt for fresh ingredients that are naturally low in sodium. 5. Monitor your blood pressure. Regularly check your blood pressure to stay informed about your health. If your readings are consistently high, consult a healthcare professional for guidance. Delicious smoothie recipe for heart and kidney health. One enjoyable way to support your health is by incorporating nutrient-rich smoothies into your diet. Here's a simple recipe that combines several powerful ingredients known for their health benefits. Ingredients: 1-inch piece of fresh ginger root, 1 clove of fresh garlic, 1.5 tablespoons of flaxseed, 1 cup, about 120 g, of frozen blueberries, 1 cup, about 100 g, of cherry radishes, a splash of almond milk or water, ice cubes. Instructions: 1. Prepare the ingredients. Start by chopping the garlic and ginger. Let the garlic sit for about 5 minutes to activate its beneficial compounds. 2. Blend. In a blender, add the chopped garlic, ginger, flaxseed, blueberries, and radishes. Pour in the almond milk or water and add a few ice cubes. 3. Mix. Blend on high for 2 to 3 minutes until smooth. Taste and adjust the consistency by adding more liquid if needed. 4. Serve. This recipe makes enough for 2 servings. Enjoy one now and store the other in the fridge for up to 2 days. This smoothie is not only delicious, but also packed with antioxidants and nutrients that can help lower blood pressure and support kidney health. The garlic and ginger are particularly effective, with studies showing that garlic can lower blood pressure even more effectively than some medications. The importance of regular checkups. If you have high blood pressure or kidney concerns, regular checkups with your healthcare provider are essential. They can monitor your condition and suggest appropriate treatments, including medications if necessary. Common medications for managing high blood pressure include ACE inhibitors and ARBs, which can also provide protective benefits for your kidneys. Taking control of your health is empowering. By incorporating specific vitamins, making dietary changes, and adopting healthy habits, you can significantly improve your blood pressure and kidney function. Remember, high blood pressure is a serious condition that can lead to various health issues. But with the right approach, you can manage it effectively. Embrace these changes, enjoy the process of caring for your body, and feel the difference in your overall wellness. Your kidneys and heart will thank you for it. Managing high blood pressure and maintaining kidney health can feel overwhelming, but making a few simple changes can lead to significant improvements. Here are some practical tips that can help you lower your blood pressure and support your kidneys, all while keeping it relatable and easy to understand. Tip 1. Reduce your salt intake. One of the easiest ways to lower your blood pressure is to cut back on salt. Most of the sodium we consume comes from processed and packaged foods like snacks and ready meals. By avoiding these, you can make a big difference in your health. Did you know that there are types of salt that are actually good for your kidneys? If you're curious about this, I have a video that explains it in detail. Excess salt causes your body to retain water, which increases the pressure in your blood vessels. This can lead to serious health issues, including heart disease and kidney problems. The recommended daily limit for salt is less than 6 grams, but many of us consume around 8 grams or more. By learning to read food labels and choosing fresh ingredients, you can easily reduce your salt intake. Tip 2. Cut down on sugar. Sugar is another culprit that can harm your kidneys and raise your blood pressure. High sugar intake is inflammatory and can lead to a spike in blood pressure levels. Research shows that reducing sugar can lower blood pressure by as much as 8.4 mmHg. Think about it. Cutting back on sugary snacks and drinks can not only improve your blood pressure, but also benefit your overall health. Swapping out sugary treats for fruits or healthier snacks can be a delicious way to make this change. Tip 3. Love more. Believe it or not, love and laughter can help lower your blood pressure. Stress is a major contributor to hypertension, but engaging in activities that bring you joy can counteract this. Watching your favorite sitcom or spending time with loved ones can lift your spirits and improve your cardiovascular health. So, go ahead and indulge in a good laugh. It's good for your heart and your health. Tip 4. Eat magnesium-rich foods. Incorporating magnesium-rich foods into your diet is another effective way to manage blood pressure. Foods like leafy greens, nuts, and seeds are excellent sources of magnesium and can help keep your blood pressure in check. Consider adding a handful of spinach to your smoothies or snacking on almonds instead of chips. These small adjustments can make a big difference over time. Bonus tip: avoid mouthwash. This might surprise you, but using certain mouthwashes can actually harm your blood pressure. The antiseptic compounds in some mouthwashes can kill the good bacteria in your mouth that help produce nitric oxide, a compound essential for regulating blood pressure. So, think twice before reaching for that mouthwash. Home remedies to lower blood pressure. Naturally. In addition to these lifestyle changes, here are 3 powerful home remedies that can help lower your blood pressure naturally. They're Tip 1. Eat nitrate-rich foods. Foods rich in dietary nitrates like beetroot, kale, arugula, chard, and spinach are fantastic for controlling blood pressure. These foods help your body produce nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation, especially in the kidneys. Incorporating these foods into your diet can be as simple as adding a salad to your lunch or blending spinach into your morning smoothie. Tip 2. Consider nitric oxide supplements. If you struggle to get enough nitrates from food, you might consider nitric oxide supplements. Nitric oxide is vital for heart and kidney health, as it helps lower blood pressure and improve blood flow. L-arginine is a natural amino acid that converts into nitric oxide in your body. Research indicates that L-arginine can significantly lower blood pressure and enhance overall blood vessel health. For those with chronic kidney disease, boosting nitric oxide levels can be especially beneficial. If you're thinking about trying L-arginine, it's generally safe, but it's always best to consult your doctor first. A common therapeutic dose for high blood pressure is about 1 gram taken twice daily, making small changes for big results. Implementing these tips doesn't have to be daunting. Start by making 1 or 2 changes at a time and gradually incorporate more as you feel comfortable. Remember, Managing high blood pressure and protecting your kidneys is a journey, and every small step counts. Whether it's reducing your salt and sugar intake, enjoying more laughter, or eating more nutrient-rich foods, these changes can lead to a healthier, happier you. Taking control of your health is empowering. By making small adjustments to your diet and lifestyle, you can significantly improve your blood pressure and kidney health. Embrace these changes and enjoy the journey toward better health. Your body will thank you. Combining L-arginine with vitamins B, 6, and B12 can be a powerful strategy for improving heart and kidney health. If you're not already familiar with these vitamins, they offer numerous benefits that can support your overall well-being, especially if you have kidney disease. Let's dive into why this combination is worth considering and how it can make a difference in your blood pressure and kidney health. The power of L-arginine and B vitamins. L-arginine is an amino acid that plays a crucial role in producing nitric oxide, a compound that helps relax and widen blood vessels. This process can lead to lower blood pressure and improved circulation. When L-arginine is combined with vitamins B, 6, and B12, the effects can be even more beneficial. Research indicates that this combination can enhance endothelial function, which is vital for maintaining healthy blood vessels. For those dealing with kidney issues, ensuring you have adequate levels of vitamins B, 6, and B12 is essential. These vitamins not only support kidney function, but also help in reducing inflammation and improving overall health. If you're not already taking these vitamins, it might be a good idea to discuss it with your healthcare provider.